मजे करो भाई, हैव फन। कल हो ना हो किसने देखा है। तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि जितने सारे पैसे तुम लौंडियाबाजी पे खर्च कर लो या तुम अपने वाइसेस पे खर्च करो, दारू पिए उड़ा दो, ऐसा नहीं कह रहा हूँ मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि भाई इफ़ यू वांट a particular desire to manifest in your life and you are working hard towards that goal in order to reach it, it does not mean that you cannot be happy in the process. It simply means that you are going to be uncomfortable and unfamiliar with the situation because you have never achieved it before. But then again, it does not give you the permission to be not happy. समझ रहे हो बात? ये बात को समझोगे भाई. And who decided that the moment you will achieve your desired goal is more valuable and more worthy than the moments leading up to it? The steps we use in order to reach the terrace of the building is as valuable as the terrace of the building, because if there is no steps, then how are you going to reach it? How are you going to reach at the top of the mountain or the top of the building? समझ रहे हो ना बात को समझो भाई कि हर दिन एक blessing है. The fact that we are still alive in and of itself is a blessing. The greatest war I believe a human has, which he has already won even before stepping into this world, is the war that he fought with the other. The possibility of you being a human being is 1 in 443 trillion, right? That's the greatest war of all. और वो तुमने जीत लिया, and it's all upside from that. It's all extra. So why be sad? Ups and downs is gonna be in life. आते रहेंगे. कभी पैसे होंगे, कभी पैसे नहीं होंगे. कभी बढ़िया खाना मिलेगा, कभी इतना बढ़िया खाना नहीं मिलेगा. कभी वो लॉन्डी से अटेंशन मिलेगा, कभी वो लॉन्डी से अटेंशन नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है ना? कभी परिवार के पास रहोगे, कभी परिवार से दूर रहोगे. कभी नींद पूरी होगी, कभी नींद पूरी नहीं होगी. But it does not mean that you cannot be happy. It does not mean that you cannot have fun. It does not mean that you cannot accept the life that it is. And life is a game, gentlemen. And if you play it right, you will win at the end. And even if you don't win, you can always enjoy the game. Why do we play a game in the first place? Not to end it. We play just for the sake of playing it. We play because we love it, because something is intriguing and interesting in it. अगर एक गेम में 10 लेवल्स हैं, and let's suppose हमने 10 लेवल ख़त्म कर दिया, उसके बाद क्या? उसके बाद कुछ है ही नहीं. Now we miss all those times when we are frustrated, when we are playing the game, when we are stuck in the same freaking level for so many days on the road, and somehow we manage to level up into the next level of that game. है ना? वो याद करते हैं तो हमको खुशी सी होती है. But at that particular moment when we are actually going through the process, we don't realize how blessed we are, how actually grateful we are. This life in and of itself is so grateful, is a blessing. So realize this and just chill, relax. Everything will work out in the end, God willing. But तुमको अपना काम करते रहना है. Don't get too attached to the idea of being happy when you reach somewhere. Happiness is today. Happiness is right now. Have fun, relax, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.